Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com. Making this video September 16th. Today is Saturday. Just wanted to show that what happened to my pound yen chart that I made on the 5th September. You can see the date here. This is a chart I made and I sent out to my subscribers, and it was before the Hurricane Irma. But after that, the whole week for me was no trading whatsoever because of the Hurricane Irma and no electricity and all that. But to be honest with you, I posted a couple of pound yen trade on my website already. One for 170 pip and the other one for 240 pip. I closed. I wanted to show you that this was just not a fluke or anything. It was pre-planned and it was expected, and all we had to do is wait for the proper entry and get those trades. So let me show you how. This is the 5th September chart that we're supposed to go from here to there. This is 64. I'm pointing towards 63. We're not there yet. Okay, so this is how long that we're supposed to go. So that was my understanding, my planning, that okay, we're gonna go long on this pound yen. Based on what? Based on not only this Elliott wave calculation and all that, but supported by the index chart, which was this. This is 25th August. I made this chart. This is yen index weekly chart. And yen index going to the upside means yen is gonna get weaker. And since pound yen has the yen on the right hand side, it will go up. And not only that, all yen pairs will be going up with the yen weakness. And that's what I told everyone, all my subscribers, that you look for long in almost all of the yen pairs. And I have the setup charts on all of them, but I'm just going to talk about pound yen right now. So what happened to this chart, if you look at it, this is what happens, right? So it went up the last week, especially big time. Is going to the upside, and then we broke this high and this high, so we have a good chance of going even further more to the upside. Hopefully next week will be also very good. So based on the yen weakness, pound yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, New Zealand euro, all will go up. So based on that, since I was tied up with this Hurricane Irma, I made a daily chart only for. I have the charts, made on September 15th for all of those pairs, but especially pound yen. I made this daily chart on the 11th September, even after move started, and I have a monthly chart saying that as long as we stay above 140, when we were at 140 here, that we're gonna go up, and this is the fashion that we will go up, according to the Elliott wave count. So this is 11th September. I made this daily chart showing this, direction for pound yen, and I wanted to, just hit the pound yen. Plus, if I get an opportunity in any other pair, if I find the entry. Even after the Hurricane Irma, we were very, very busy. We are still busy. I still have a big tree on my backyard that I need to cut and, throw it away, but I cannot do it. The machinery and all that need to come. So anyway, this is the chart, and what happened to this chart is this. Okay, we broke the TL and powerfully we're going to the upside. Why? Because this is a wave 3. This wave 3 is the most powerful wave of all. Okay, you have impulse wave 1, 3, and 5. They are a powerful an impulse wave. Out of these three, wave 3 is the most powerful and most momentous, and you can see the power here right now, and a lot more to go to the upside. Okay, so this is what happened, and because of that, I showed you already the yen chart, right? So this is what happened, and yen index, and this was a daily chart based on that, and the weekly chart and monthly chart is going to go up. So the first trade I got, and this is the chart I sent out to, the 11th September, and look, the first trade I got after that move happens, the entry, exact by the book entry, with my Magic IB system. This is the system. These are not regular candles, as you can see. These are special candles produced by a special indicator, a custom built indicator. which I provide when someone subscribe. So all of these entries, I missed clearly these entries, but this is the one I got. And even though I was, late, because I should be here somewhere, maybe 50, 60 pip more before the moves, right after the move starting, I should be getting in. But, it's still 170 pip trade on the 14th. And the next day, it hit the very big area, which is 148.20. If you can go take a look. Let me show you if I can show you 40, 48.41 and 48.19. This is a monthly low, 48.19, big low. This is the low, big number, right? After the dropping to this number, and look what happened. So 48.19, so it touched the 48.19. If you look at this second trade of mine, you see this line is 48.19. Okay, so it touched it. That's where I closed the first trade. It dropped exactly to this high and bounce again, because we want to go up. We need to go up more, a lot more than it is. So we're gonna hit the strong resistance, pull back a little bit, and then go second time, break the resistance, and go further to the upside. That's exactly what it did. The second time I closed on 240 pip, right? And after I closed, the pair went 70 pip more. Okay, but like I said on my chart when I posted on my website, enough is enough. 240. I don't want to take a chance, and I don't want to be greedy. That's how you need to treat this market. Take what you deserve and take what you want, and then get out. It's more than enough. 240 pip, man. So these are the two trades only in pound yen, based on solid charts, which I had already planned, and I knew that this is going to happen, and this is the fashion. We need to go a lot more to the upside. Still powerful move. And as soon as I found the entry, by my magic system, magic IB system, according to that, I would not hesitate at all. So this is the one, and this is the one. These two trades totaling to 170 and 240. You can count yourself just because of that. Now, with this long-term chart, and then I have this yen index short-term chart as well, which is this. Look at this yen 40-minute chart. This is the setup that from here we're gonna go up. This yen index going up means yen is getting weaker. Look what happened to this chart as a 15. Okay, so this is the move. This is the yen move, made all the yen pair going up. Why I'm saying all the yen pair? I just showed you only pound yen, right? But what about this? I had Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie is not doing anything. Aussie dollar is completely messed up, ranging big time. But since the yen started getting weaker, look what happened. Big, powerful move. Beautiful trade, right? Not only that, then you have euro yen on the 12th. When yen weaknesses started coming, beautiful trade here for 180 pip, and CAD yen also. You see that? Nice entry here. This was a level. I forgot to put the level here. Usually it goes from one level to another. That's why I have these charts made. You see this? This is weekly chart, so they are very, very important numbers. These numbers are very important, and if you learn, you will see that price doesn't do anything but move between these weekly highs and lows. Okay, breaks one number, go hit the other number, drop a little bit, break that, find support, go up. Resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance, and we travel in between these highs and lows. Okay, this is also Gann theory. If you remember Gann theory, it's weekly breakout, right? So what is weekly? Weekly high, weekly low, right? So if the breakout, he used to take the breakout. I don't do that because it's dangerous to me. Breakout always comes back for retracement, and you get caught in that. No, I don't want that. I want a retracement, and when the move start, the continuation of the previous move, that's where I get it. Or in between, early, when the move starts, in early stages, you find your 20-minute support, and then you make your entry, and that's it. Hallelujah. So this is how it was all planned, and it was all anticipated already that this is what's going to happen. All we have to do is find the entry and get in 240 pip and 170 pip only from pound yen in 2 days. Okay, so this is how powerful my analysis is, and this magic IP system is very accurate. But I'm not gonna say that it's a quick get rich scheme or something. You must learn, and that's why I do webinars. When you subscribe, you will find that I do webinars on Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. Cover the market, what happened, what I said that's going to happen, and what has happened, and what will happen in the next couple of days. Not only that, and during the regular days, I do webinars where I teach harmonic patterns, all this calculation, how you do it. I have hundreds of videos. I have 900 videos in YouTube channel explaining all these things. Okay, this is general knowledge. Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, weekly highs and lows. Plus, all my webinars, previous webinars, recording are also on my website, but that area is only for subscribers. When you subscribe, you will see that I did the webinar on last Wednesday, okay, and what I'm expecting, and what I said to my subscribers, and what happens. You can see that. And every Sunday and Wednesday, I do the webinars, and all the recordings, hundreds of them, are on my website for you to watch and learn. Okay, and like I said, if you learn this, if I show you my euro yen chart, you will see that what I'm talking about. But the video is gonna get bigger. Euro USD went all the way up 1600 pip according to my. You can see my previous video on the YouTube, and that's where I think I showed all those charts. USDX exactly traveling for 9 months. It is exactly traveling the way I said it will. Okay, so this is the analysis, and once you know the direction from your analysis, it's easy to get in. What is the biggest thing is to find a correct entry point. If you make an entry in a wrong time, in a wrong place, immediately you will find yourself 50, 60, 70, 80 pip in red. You don't want that. So that's where my magic IP system comes in, and it gives you a solid entry points from highs and lows, support and resistance, and very, very clear entries. I mean, you can see that it's the red candles going up. Coming down, and blue candles going up, and this is this is after hitting the resistance. It's red, 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 and you expect that it's gonna come down here, and then this indicator is coming all the way to the downside. That's it. You pull the trigger and wait. And how do I wait for all these big moves? I explained that, and I teach that also. You're not supposed to close your trades in 30, 40, 50 pip. You gotta wait for the daily range. You need to learn what is the daily range for each pair. Okay, and where do you get it? I provide an indicator, which usually on the left hand side, telling you that which pair has what daily range: 100 pip, 150, 200 pip. And pound yen, not only the yen weakness was the reason for these big moves, but also pound, because we had a good positive news for pound post-morning, the talk between Britain and European Union for Brexit, and that triggers the strength in pound, and that added fuel in this bull move in pound yen. So that's how easy it is if you pay attention to little few things a little bit, and with the time, maybe in a couple of months you will master this whole thing, and the beauty is that you will know what is happening. It's not that just you see a blue candle, pull the trigger, red candle, pull the trigger, not knowing what's happening, where you're going, how far you have to hold the trade. But you will learn everything, and you will exactly know what to do and what not to do. Okay, first one I closed at 170. Why? Because I was getting close to this big resistance. Don't take a chance, because I had an idea that it's gonna pull back, so I closed the trade at exactly that's what happens. And then this is the high move, is powerful. Wave 3 going on. All we had to do is find next entry, and boom, it's gone. Okay, so this is how it is. And if you want to learn all of that, attend my webinar where I teach almost A to Z, every single thing, okay, about the forex market. But especially these harmonic patterns, highs and lows, and especially this Magic Ivy system, how you can open your 40-minute charts, 20-minute charts. These are not regular time frames. You're not going to find in regular broker time frame. You usually have 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour, so on and so forth. But here, the special indicators, 40-minute chart and 20-minute chart, even though the time has nothing to do with these candles are based on tick size, not the time. Okay, if you don't get more than 10 pips for 10 hours, you will not see a next candle printing. Okay, the price will stay there, and they are all equal size, so no big wigs and no chaotic moves you see here. Okay, so it makes the job very easy and precise, exactly. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then go to my website, myforexmagicwave.com, and there you will see a subscribe button. Subscribe. Today is Saturday. You still have Saturday, Sunday. Subscribe. Get the system, get the charts ready. It's a little bit of work to do. Okay, few hour work. You need to set up the charts properly, and like I said, you must learn. If you are willing to learn, you're gonna do very good. But you need to learn. I would not say this system is not just pull the trigger, red candle, blue candle, buy, sell signal. No, it is not. If you're looking for that, then it is not. I'm telling you right up front. This is you. You learn the system, highs and lows, and I provide you every single thing. I even provide you charts like this. All those big. I provide you the template of these charts. So what you do is you open the same chart, for example, yen index weekly chart on your computer, and apply the template, and you will have the same exact chart what I have here in my broker. Okay, anything. For example, this is a pound yen monthly chart, right? This is what, remember I said that this is what it is. When it was here, I made the chart when it was at 140 that must stay above 140, and we will go all the way. Look what happened so far. We are at 50 already. Okay, I think we touched 51, and this is the level. It's already gone, right? We poke into it big time, so this is gone loose, and my weekly chart or daily chart will prevail, hopefully, and the next target is, you can see it here. So every pair and every index I have monthly charts, weekly charts made and sent out to my subscribers. When you subscribe, in the second email, you will get all of those templates. Open the charts, apply the templates. You have whole chart on your computer. You don't have to go through, typing these bullets and numbers and all that. They will just pop up on your computer. Okay, and you will see, or you will keep in your eyes that what to expect from what pair. Okay, this is pound yen. I don't know if I have anything else here. Sure, I have profile made for every. See, this is pound yen profile. You have weekly chart, monthly chart, daily chart, everything, right? Similarly, I have profile made for all of those, and I have EA here, GJ, CJ, GJ, pound, Aussie, Euro USD, pound USD, CAD yen, Euro. I don't even trade that. Euro yen right here, Aussie yen right here, Aussie USD right here, Aussie index, CAD index, all of these charts. Okay, for example, if I go CAD index, so what will happen? You see, I will have open the CAD profile here, which will have CAD index monthly chart, weekly chart. See, this is my monthly chart, this is my weekly chart, this is my daily chart. What's happening with CAD? And this is my 40-minute chart. It is, well, now you see that the CAD index, it dropped, making a very nice bullish setup here. So if it start bouncing, CAD will get strong. And as it is, USD CAD is dropping, means CAD is on the right hand side, it will be dropping. Believe me or not, I have made the chart and given to my subscriber for USD CAD. So far it dropped more than 1,000 pip already in a straight line. Okay, in a straight line. And I think I showed that chart in my previous video. You can go and take a look. Okay, based on CAD strength. See that? is going to the upside from here to here. Well, my previous chart, where the heck is that chart? Well, it was a monthly chart that I said, we're going to continue to the upside when the price was here. So when CAD is getting strong, USD getting weaker, USD CAD drops. Okay. So this is how it is. So like I said again, if you like what you see, go on my website, subscribe, be a part of it, get it, get the charts ready, and get ready for Monday trading. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.